So the next step in configuring my app is a simple but powerful feature of the GoNative platform, and that's custom website overrides. And so I'll just go to the left column and select website overrides to get there. And so this feature allows you to hide navigation elements in your web content. So you can replace them with native features. And so, for example, our news app here is going to hide our side navigation bar and the dark light mode button within the original website. So you can see that in the browser-based simulator here, this sidebar menu, the hamburger menu, and this button right here. So I've had my development team provide me with some custom CSS and some custom JavaScript for both iOS and Android versions of the app. And so I'm going to go in here and add the custom CSS. This will hide the web-based navigation bar. And I'm going to scroll down here and add the JavaScript, and that will hide the dark mode and light mode button as well. So let's save our changes, rebuild the app, and take a look at how it's looking. So I've rebuilt the app, and as you see here, we no longer have that top navigation bar that is based in the web mode, and we no longer have that dark mode, light mode button. So it looks like the development team did a good job with the custom code, and we're ready to move into native navigation where we will configure our own navigation bars.